drink this and you will never return about the greasy of belly, arms and thighs. Belly and waist fat is actually the most difficult to eliminate when we want to lose weight. In the eagerness to do this, many people resort to highly invasive treatments, drugs that put health at risk or even the scalpel. Fortunately, there are natural options to eliminate abdominal fat. Today we present a breakfast that can change your life forever. Breakfast to eliminate fat in belly and waist in a month. Ingredients: 1. 1 tablespoon of flax seeds, also known as flaxseed. 2. 2 tablespoons of oatmeal. 3. 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. 4. 5 to 7 prunes well fleshy. 5. 300 milliliters of kefir or low-fat yogurt. 6. 100 milliliters of water. In preparation: this drink should be prepared from the previous night for the following day. Follow the instructions below. 1. Boil the water and spray it on the dried plums. Cover and let stand between 10 to 15 minutes. 2. In a bowl, mix the cocoa powder, flax seeds and oats into flakes. Stir. Add the kefir and stir again. 3. Chop the plums and add to the previous mixture. 4. Store in the refrigerator. The next day eat this delicious breakfast, which besides being a delicacy to your palate, will be excellent for your health and will help you eliminate belly fat.